Welcome to the channel. This is Aussie Rides again, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and giving you my first thoughts on the Lomo 40 litre dry bag. So if that's something that you're interested in, then stick around and I'll tell you what I think. Welcome to the channel. I'm Aussie Rides again, and if you're new here, please consider liking the video and subscribing, and remember to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any uploads. Today I'm going to be looking at the Lomo 40 litre dry bag. I ordered it online and it's just come today, so I've got it just here. So we're going to get it open and I'm going to tell you what I think about it, my first impressions. So let's get into it. So I've got a knife here, let's go. Get it open. Now, I ordered this on a whim. Not too sure what it's going to be like, but hopefully it's going to be pretty good. So it comes quite well packaged. This is the size of it at the moment. Comes flat packed. Pretty decent size by the looks of it now. Let's get it out of here. Okay. First of all, first impressions, it feels really well made. Okay, I'm going to get a bit more space and we'll open it up and see what it's like. Okay, so here's the Lomo 40 litre bag, and as you can see it's quite big when you open it up. It's quite spacious inside, so we've got a strap there for it'll be a carry strap for when it's off the bike. Feels very sturdy, good quality. I think they're going to be able to fit quite a bit in here actually. So let me just show you the inside. So yeah, I don't know how much of that you're going to be able to see, but it's quite big inside the bag. I think there's going to be plenty of room actually to fit a small tent in there, and your clothes and other bits and pieces. Pretty impressed. So my first thoughts, what do I think? I'm impressed with it. It's good quality, it's a good size, plenty of space inside. So yeah, definitely worth the money. I think I paid around about £30 for this one, and I'd definitely buy it again. But the real test is going to be packing it and putting it on the bike. So next video I'll throw a few things in here, pack it on and get it strapped to the bike, and we'll see what that's like. Alright, thanks for watching, and remember, if you like the video, hit like, remember to subscribe if you want to, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. Thanks for watching, I'll see you next time.